Hello. Turning me off. Okay.
Thingy.
On board. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, okay. He looks like a cunt.
I'll send Misfit. There you go.
Should be at the bottom.
From a shorty ejaculatory. It's a Doge. It's a Doge. Home of the Peckham Terminator.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
You should have been more left.
I'm
coming through. I need petrol. No urgency. It's just
Every time we go out, I make sure I have petrol, and you don't.
I think finding petrol's part of the adventure. So.
Really? Oh, should we go Nando's?
Do you want to go?
I fucking love Nando's.
So do I. It's well, every birthday you'll find me in Nando's.
Oh, really? When is your birthday?
Yeah.
So you mean I missed your birthday?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me.
You know what? I forgot my birthday. Okay. She had to remind me, Misfit.
Well, she didn't remind me either.
Whoops.
Oh, I'm hurt.
Who's washing their bike?
Oh, can you do mine?
Yeah, just replace your bike with his and hope he doesn't realise what's happening.
I think he's going to notice the difference between a white bike and a red bike. But sure. I don't think he's going to turn it on. Oh, he's coming out.
So we've had a shitload of police pass us, and this is what they're escorting.
Do you think it's a protest?
I don't know, maybe some... Cool wheelie, bro! Cool, do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Do one of them dodgy wheelies, yeah, like that. A dodgy wheelie.
I really want one of them to fall off. Is that mean?
Oh, look, he just fucked the taxi. They do that little fucking wheelie and then swerve last second.
He nearly went into a car.
Yeah, go on, boys. Nice wheels, buddy.
There's like one old guy at the back. What the fuck is all this?
It's probably some yearly thing they do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I was expecting a fat kid at the back that just couldn't keep up, but...
Well, there's one.
There is? Okay.
Oh, look, he's on a Lex motor.
Bless his little soul.
No, he has no idea.
Alright.
Are we turning right?
No, left.
That's what I just said. I don't think they had a traffic light. To be fair.
Oh God.
What?
Look.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Probably, I don't know if we should wait or... These cars aren't gonna, I don't think these cars are gonna be able to move.
There's too many of the cunts. What is this shit?
I don't know, gay pride maybe?
I know that Trump's in town today.
Oh, wicked.
It's also Trooping the Colour today.
Oh, that's right, I saw the Air Force thing go over.
Yeah, it's the practice run today.
Hey,
oh, we've got a red light now. Oh, okay.
Well, we're just gonna stay at the end of this lot here, like this, alright? We get a good view.
Holy. gonna try and get behind this black car.
Yeah, yeah, you get behind there. Keep moving, you cunt.
My bike is
Yeah,
really
keep coming, you fucking wanker. Go on. Fucking keep coming, you cunt. Fucking driving towards me.
Where exactly is he gonna go?
Yeah, where are you going, mate? You fucking tosser. We got somebody down by the looks of it.
Oh no.
Oh,
I'm gonna pull over and ask if they need help because I know first aid.
okay, well. Nah, leave them, they'll be alright.
Sure?
They're just going to Tesco's, actually.
Are they?
Yeah. Thankfully, we're crossing this bridge and it's away from these guys.
I hope so.
Wait there, kid. Wait there, kid.
I fucking hate them. I hate all of them.
Please.
It's too hot to be dealing with stupid children.
Yeah, the coach is gone. The coach is gone.
I don't know if I can hit. Hold on. Oh, hit! Oh, now we're moving.
Yes.
Your driver, just sit in the car and keep the engine running. Any questions? No boss, no problem. If anybody gets in your way, you know